Well, I'm out here in the blizzard. It's crazy around here. Look at bumper to bumper. Look at this way. I'll turn around. Look at all the way that way. Retards everywhere. It is snowing.
Yeah.
Holy guacamole.
I've never heard you say that.
Yeah. Whew. Oh, Jack and I just went out for dinner. How was it, Jack?
It's good. Snowy though.
The dinner was snowy, yeah?
No.
Dinner was snowy, guys.
I didn't mean that.
What'd you have?
I had a burger.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, a burger.
This hill, nobody can make it up this hill. Let me turn around, look. I'm not talking to you, Jack, I'm talking to the camera. Look at these people cannot make it up the hill. It's not even, it's 72nd. I mean 72nd. Scott Road past 72nd, up 70th. But people can't even make it up the hill.
There's a girl over there stuck.
Everybody's got their slicks on. Their summer slicks.
Yeah. One girl is over there pushing her car over the speed bump.
Yes, she was, she was. Look at, this is some wet snow though, but it's everywhere.
Unexpected.
Oh, we got an accident. I'm the first responder. Hope there's no blood, because I'll puke.
How?
Oh, we've got a fendier bendier. See, guys? Where is it? There. I'll show you when I get there. Oh, we got big rigs. We got big rig Steve here. Everybody is stuck everywhere. Cars can't make it up the hill. Look, everybody is. Look at. Cars can't move. Everybody's turning around. Pandemonium.
I got a snowball.
Even the peeps on the streets don't have a clue what's going on right now. This is brutal. I gotta get home. Not gonna make it.
This is awesome.
Look at people up at top. Not even halfway up the hill and everybody is stopped.
I have a snowball.
Hold on, guys, look. Look at, that's as far as cars can make it. Alright. Who's yelling at me? I heard somebody say my name. Going. Big rig, look at the big rig is stuck. Look, hold on, where is it? Where's the rig? Where is it?
Oh,
Look at big rig stuck.
Big rig Steve.
Oh, chaos. Well, guys, I'm gonna make it home. Ciao, ciao.